2024 Best Motorcycle for Beginners Kawasaki Versys X 300. In the ever-expanding world of motorcycles, the quest for the perfect entry-level bike remains a paramount consideration for beginners. In 2024, Kawasaki continues to demonstrate its commitment to providing an accessible and versatile option for novice riders with the Kawasaki Versys X 300. Renowned for its adventure touring DNA, this motorcycle combines nimble handling, manageable power, and a design that encourages exploration, making it a standout choice for riders taking their first steps into the world of motorcycling. 1. Adventure touring versatility. The Kawasaki Versys X 300 distinguishes itself by embracing the adventure touring category, making it an excellent choice for riders who seek versatility in their motorcycle. With a design that draws inspiration from its larger siblings in the Versys lineup, the Versys X 300 offers a comfortable upright riding position, making it well-suited for both urban commuting and longer journeys. 2. Beginner-friendly power plant. Powered by a 296 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, the Versys X 300 strikes a balance between performance and approachability. The engine's smooth power delivery and manageable torque provide a forgiving yet engaging experience for beginner riders. The lightweight nature of the bike ensures that it's easy to handle, contributing to a sense of confidence and control for those who are still refining their riding skills. 3. Nimble handling and comfort. Weighing in at a modest figure, the Versys X 300 exhibits nimble handling, allowing riders to confidently navigate through urban traffic or explore winding backroads. The comfortable seating and adjustable windscreen enhance long-distance comfort, making it a suitable choice for riders who may venture beyond the city limits. The bike's suspension setup is tuned to provide a smooth ride, absorbing bumps and imperfections on various road surfaces. 4. Practical design for real-world riding. The Versys X 300's design is rooted in practicality. With a generous fuel tank capacity, riders can cover more miles between fuel stops, a crucial consideration for those who plan to embark on extended rides. The upright riding position, along with a well-padded seat, ensures that riders remain comfortable during extended periods in the saddle, promoting an enjoyable and fatigue-free riding experience. 5. Adventure aesthetics with modern features. Featuring rugged adventure aesthetics, the Versys X 300 combines style with substance. The bike's design includes a beak-like front fender, spoke wheels, and a high-mounted exhaust, contributing to its adventure-ready appearance. Additionally, modern features such as an LCD display, ABS brakes, and efficient LED lighting enhance the overall riding experience, providing beginners with technology that adds to their safety and convenience. Conclusion. In the competitive landscape of beginner motorcycles, the 2024 Kawasaki Versys X 300 emerges as a versatile and adventure-ready option. Its combination of adventure touring capabilities, beginner-friendly power delivery, nimble handling, and practical design make it an ideal companion for riders entering the motorcycling world. Whether you're navigating city streets, embarking on a weekend adventure, or planning a longer tour, the Versys X 300 offers a compelling package that caters to the diverse needs of beginner riders. As a symbol of versatility and exploration, the 2024 Kawasaki Versys X 300 rightfully earns its place as one of the best motorcycles for beginners in the current market.